So, you've probably seen Walmart's hyper-tough 2000 PSI pressure washer on the shelves, or maybe in your cart, and wondered, is this $130 machine actually worth it, or am I about to get scammed? Let me get straight to it. If you're a homeowner looking for a budget-friendly way to tackle dirt, grime, or that green stuff growing on your deck, this is honestly a solid pick. It's not a pro-level beast, but it does exactly what it promises for everyday cleaning jobs. We're talking cars, patio furniture, fences, even your sidewalk. Now, a lot of folks throw around the word scam if it doesn't blast like a gas-powered monster, or if a part gives out early. But here's the thing. Most complaints come from expecting too much power or getting unlucky with a dud unit. The truth? It's electric and it's built for light to medium jobs. Let's talk quality. Metal connections. Yep, actual metal, not cheap plastic like most at this price. Plus, it comes with 4 quick connect nozzles and a turbo nozzle, so you're covered for everything from gentle rinses to deep cleaning. The total stop system saves your motor when you're not spraying, and those 8-inch wheels make it easy to drag around the yard. What's the catch? Well, the hose can be annoyingly stiff and sometimes kinks up if you're not careful. The soap dispenser can also be a little, let's say, temperamental. And, yeah, a few people have griped about parts like wheels popping off if they weren't screwed in tight. But here's the verdict. For $132, with a 2-year warranty and solid customer support, it's not a scam. It's just not a miracle.